Alrighty, folks, gonna do a quick little product review on these two toys right here. Some of y'all probably remember I used to do product reviews, not like real full in-depth product reviews, but I did used to do some product reviews on certain stuff that I would buy online to let people know if they were worth buying or not, and if they were good gadgets. So this isn't gonna be a full review. I'm just gonna do something real quick, just because I actually acquired these two toys here recently, and they actually turned out to be very good purchases. And since it's close to Christmas time, and since everybody who keeps seeing me with these keep asking me, hey bro, what's the name of them and where'd you get them from and all that, you know what I'm saying, and how much they cost, I figured I'd just do a quick post, since most of the people who asking me are my Facebook friends and associates. So hopefully all y'all see this and y'all will know the names of them and where to order them for if you want to get them for your kids for Christmas and whatnot. So first, this is the Flame Peace. It's the Flame Peace S916, and it holds a GoPro. It's like a flat bottoms, type go-kart style. It got two little drivers sitting in there. I actually got the hood up because it got them two pins in there, which, the battery and all that stuff is down in there. And the on-off switch is actually in there too, which is the only thing I don't like about this thing, because the on-off switch is in there, and you have to take two pins out just to even pop the hood. But one thing about it is just like taking the pins out of a real hood of a car, like a race car type hood. They go in real easy and come out real easy. It's not really a hassle. That is something else I say about both of these things, because especially this military truck, man, y'all won't believe like how well they build these things, and they send you extra parts like extra wheels, extra transmission cases, parts, crank cases, socket wrench, all types of stuff, because these things actually have real moving working parts, just like real vehicles. Matter of fact, I'll show you real quick what I mean right here. Sorry folks, the video cut for a second, but yes, as I was saying, I'll show you what I mean about how much detail these things have, and real life features. Like if you would look under this one, for example, like look at that drive shaft. This thing actually has a drive shaft that looks like a real drive shaft on a car or a truck or something. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get y'all a good view of it. And this is actually the titanium drive shaft. They usually come with a plastic one, and usually if that one is defective or it breaks while you're driving it, they'll send you this replacement one, which is titanium, and it's harder to break. But yeah, look at it. I mean, thing got a transmission box on it, drive shaft. Come down, look at that, man. Look at the housing and all of that stuff, man. Casing and all that stuff on this thing. These things have a lot of detail, and like people who like work on cars or know about vehicles and stuff like that will know and be able to see that it's a lot going on here. Now also, as far as this one goes, the military truck actually comes with a camera right here on the top of it that came included with it. And this one, I actually forgot to tell you guys, is called the Force Truck. Force Truck, military truck, or whatever. But it's made by some freaking body. Either way, you can find these products on Amazon. It's made by Fayee, or whoever the hell it is. as you can see, like that model right there got the tires on it. They also sent me the tires. I have tires. These things came with a lot of extra parts. See, I have the tires right here. If I wanna take those tracks off and turn it into a wheeled version, they send you the extra parts. I got transmission parts and all kind of stuff in these different boxes for these things. But anyway, real quick, this military truck also came with, you know, this attachment which holds your phone, which allows it to hold your phone like that and ride on it, just like how it's holding that camera. But that camera is the one that actually came with it and attaches to it, and it hooks to your phone by Wi-Fi, so that when the truck is moving and recording, you you can actually view what it's recording through your phone. So yeah, it's actually pretty cool. You can drive around with it and be recording and watching it on your phone at the same time. I'm actually going to take a couple of little short videos for you guys to let y'all see how it works, so y'all can see the quality of the camera and, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, pretty much that's it though. I want to recommend these two products for your kids. They got age recommendations on them, and they're very cheap. They only cost about $80 a piece. I actually acquired them from Facebook Market and got a steal on them, so I didn't even pay that much. But that's none of y'all business. Anyway, yeah, so all right, I'm about to go outside and try to test these products out. All right, folks, this is probably not going to be too good of a video since I lost a lot of light waiting around. Well, I didn't actually wait around, but I came out here actually about 2 times a day trying to do this thing, and it started raining twice. So anyway, we're going to start with the tracked version, because I figured since it has the camera and everything already running, I can do the most with it and show you guys more about like what's going on, and it's more cooler. So this is the program that you download to get it on your freaking phone, you know. To get the camera on your phone, you attach it to your Wi-Fi, you scan for it, and it attaches. Right there, it's in connected mode when you see the lights flashing, and you pair it with your phone, and then I think mine is paired. I should be able to get some videos somewhere or something. Okay, I'm messing up here. Hold on. Maybe I need to, oh no, maybe I need to repair it. Yeah, connected. FPV. It's called FPV in your Wi-Fi thing. It's called FPV. You can, as you can see, I'm connected. You back out, then you go into this mode, and there it is. It's connected. All right. If you want to record video, you just click on video, and when once you turn on the controller, the handheld, as you can see, the lights stop flashing, and now the headlights are working just like regular headlights. They actually do shine and work, and it illuminates stuff. So I'm gonna start recording video. As you can see, it starts recording in the corner, and you guys will be able to see that I can see what the truck sees. My truck. And as you can see through the video on my head, it's going through the grass. Now that grass is pretty wet because it's been rainy. And this military truck, I actually recommend it pretty good. It goes fairly good over rocks and grass and stuff like that. The stuff I did put it on, and it goes a good ways away. And these are actually just toys. They're very cheap, you know, as you guys can see the video. They're very cheap and affordable. Let's see if I can get away from you. looking at this and my car at the same time, so I don't have to keep looking down. Come on, stay there. That's not gonna work. Hey neighbor. Alright, well anyway, you guys pretty much see how it works. And you can see the camera takes pretty good video and pictures too. Everywhere I go, my headlights work. And as far as, so you guys can actually see that the video works. That's all I want you guys to pretty much see about that. And you know how it connects to your camera, how well you guys are coming up here to me on the porch here. It's actually pretty fast too when it wants to be. So yeah, well, that's the video version of it. And I actually have some, I'm gonna take some video at another time, and when it's light outside, to show you guys the clarity of it. I actually have one video I might share a clip of. But the rest of it, if you guys want to see how it works, like as far as, you know, performance wise, I'll do a little bit more performing. Let me cut this off. A little bit more performance, walking it around. And it's even faster with the wheels on, I would assume. There's a lot of videos on YouTube about these RCs, remote control cars, and it shows each model, so you can see people doing just what I'm doing, different tests and things like that. You know, showing you guys how they work. As you guys can see, my headlights work. They illuminate. They illuminate my mailbox. It's pretty good in the grass. These are toys. Get them for your kids, man. I highly recommend this one. It's a lot of fun. The camera works good. Strong motor. Do a little bit more video here, so you guys can see. Pairs right up. And there's a video. When it's moving, you know, it's kind of rocky because it doesn't have a stabilizer in it apparently, but once it stops, as you can see, the video gets pretty clear. How you doing, neighbor? Oh man, I got two of them. Doing a little review on them, you know. They're pretty cool though. They record video and stuff. Yeah. Got cameras on them. Awesome. Yeah, they work too. Man. All right, take it easy, take it easy. All right, thanks. As you can see, under my truck where it's dark at, the headlights illuminated, so when it's dark outside, it's even more, you know, bright. The headlights work pretty good. So that's the review on that one. Let me try to show you guys the Flame Peace real quick before it's too dark for you guys. You can actually see it work. Flame Peace outside test. I actually haven't driven this one yet because, as I said, you know, I've been so busy having fun with the freaking Look, the freaking track vehicle. I ain't even got a chance to play with this one yet. Well, like I said, the on-off switch is actually in here, which is the only thing I don't like about this. But turn it on, that red light starts flashing. As you can see, it's on. Put this This one's gonna be a lot of fun, I can tell. There's some dudes, hook slides and everything. Say it's supposed to do about 26 miles per hour. And it has a lot longer range, of course, than the other one. A lot faster. D-donut. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, so. I'm not doing so good in this deep, wet grass. So, as you guys see, this one is only 2-wheel drive, opposed to the other track vehicle is 4-wheel. That grass is too wet, couldn't get traction. So, I also see that I have to possibly adjust my steering mechanism, because it's not steering, driving in a straight line. Well, I actually waited so late, the mosquitoes are eating me up, but I'm not gonna stay out here. I just wanted to show you guys that this one too actually is very fun. The Flame Peace is very fast, very cheap. Your kids will love it, and so will your husband or boyfriend if they are like me. That dog is so fast, it'd be turning itself just from kicking rocks. Yeah, I definitely need to adjust my steering though. Because as you guys can see, it's pulling to the left. So there's actually a trim on here for that. Turn to the right a little bit. That lets you actually adjust your steering. Let's go to the right a little bit. You're right in the middle. A little better. Well, this thing has some range on it, a lot of speed, as I said, you know. And that's it. The Flame Peace, I recommend also. Just like the military truck. Very fast. Keeps turning. Still need to turn my trim some. Putting to the right. That's better. Way too many mosquitoes, so that's the end of my night, y'all. Well, that's the end of my little review. I'm going in the house.